Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, fan, RJ45 door, subwoofer, display panel assembly, and system board. Removal: remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the left speaker to the top cover.